So in today's video, we are going to be talking about 5 body lotions that you can use to tone up your skin nicely. Like body lotions that can give you 1 to 2 shades lightening. Now, these are not bleaching body lotions. These are not body lotions that are meant for dark people. These body lotions are for people that got tanned from the sun. That is, used to be a fair person, used to be a caramel skin person, and then all of a sudden right now you are dark. You are totally dark, like you are darker than your original skin complexion. You are looking for a safe body lotion that is going to tone you up and return you to your original skin complexion. Do you understand? Those are the people that are going to use this particular lightening body lotion or toning up body lotion. These are body lotions that will tone you up, give you your original skin tone. So this is not a lightening body lotion. If you know you are a dark person that has been using lightening body lotions and then you are looking for another lightening body lotion, these ones might not do it for you. So I need you to put that in your head. Okay, so today is for people that have been suntanned, people that maybe you went through pregnancy and then right now your skin is a little bit dark. You need something that will gradually tone you up without bleaching your skin. These particular body lotions of today, they are super moisturizing. These are body lotions that you might not even need to use a body oil for. They are so moisturizing, they are so hydrating, and they tone up your skin very nicely. Do you understand? They don't give any skin reaction like green veins, stretch marks, redness, and all of. No, these are very good body lotions to tone up nicely and have that beautiful skin complexion. And if you are fair skin, you can use it. If you are caramel skin, you can use it. Do you understand? To tone up your skin 1 to 2 shades lighter. So I'm going to be giving you the list, and also let me know the body lotion you are using, or if you want me to suggest a soap you can use with any body lotion you pick, you can let me know in the comment section. I'm going to recommend soaps for you based on your complexion. Do you understand? So let's go. Thank you for clicking today's video. I'm super duper excited to see you here today. Now, the very first body lotion on my list is this beauty here. This is the Blemish Care Body Lotion, the Botanical and Natural own. Blemish Care has different variants, but this particular one is the one that I'm talking about. It has the one in a pink something container. It is not that one. This particular one that says Natural and Botanical. This one really works. Like Blemish Care is an old, it's not like a new brand. It's a brand that has been here, and trust me, they really work to gradually tone up your skin. So this one is very good. This particular one, the major ingredient there is licorice extract, and we all know that licorice is very good when it comes to depigmenting the skin, like helping to clear sun tanning, helping to brighten your skin, and even lighten your skin if you use the product for a longer period of time. Remember, for this video, when I am saying lightening, I don't mean bleaching. I don't mean lightening a dark person. Do you understand? So I need you to get that very clearly. So lightening, when you hear lightening, it can mean different things. So when I say lightening, it is lightening you to your original skin complexion. Okay, so Blemish Care Body Lotion, this natural and botanical own, it is super amazing. And I said the major ingredients is licorice extract. So this is not a product that will give you any harsh reaction on your skin. Even if you are someone that has green veins already, this will not exacerbate the green veins. If you are someone that has stretch marks, this will not exacerbate it. Now, I'm going to recommend this one, especially for people that are like light caramel skin, like you are caramel skin, but now you look a bit way darker than you used to be. I will say you should go for this particular one. It is going to brighten you up 1 shade lighter, at least get you to your original skin complexion. If you now want to lighten up after that one, that's basically your own business, but this is a good start when it comes to brightening up the skin, toning up the skin, and it is super duper moisturizing and hydrating on your skin, which is the reason why it is not giving you any skin reaction. So this is a very good option. Now, the second on my list is the Aqua Rich Balance Plus Bright Body Lotion. Now, this is the one that has tranexamic acid, it has alpha arbutin, and it has niacinamide. This body lotion is very, very good. Like, it is highly underrated. People that use this particular body lotion testify to the goodness of this particular body lotion. This one is even going to help you with body spots. If you are someone that has body spots, blemishes on your skin, it is going to help to blend your skin complexion, clear those spots, blend your skin complexion. If you are someone that has like darkness, knuckles, and all of those, it is going to gradually clean up your skin. This is a very good body lotion, but I usually recommend this for people that have dry skin, because this is somehow a bit too moisturizing. Okay, unless you know you are someone that maybe you are in a cold place, there is always electricity and all of those things, then you can still go ahead and use this as someone that has oily skin. But if you have oily skin and you are not in a place that there is AC or there is fan constantly, you might have issues with this particular body lotion. But men, does it give results? It gives results. It blends the skin, it brightens the skin. This can give you 1 to 2 shades lightening. Remember what I mean by lightening, if you use it for a longer period of time. But one particular thing I really, really like about this particular body lotion that I've seen from my clients that have used this particular body lotion is the blending of skin. It blends your skin, it evens out your skin tone, it clears blemishes. This one is very, very good. So we are fair skin, you are dark skin, you are caramel skin, and you want to get your skin complexion back and even out your skin tone. You have that situation whereby the inner part of your body is fairer than the outer part of your body. This will do a very good job at blending your skin. So it is a very good option. If you have used this lotion before, or you know someone that is using it, you can testify to the goodness in the comment section. And also make sure, if you are buying this particular body lotion, that you are buying the original one. I have made a video of how to know original Aqua Rich body lotion, so make sure you're buying the original one, because I believe the fake is out there because of the way the cream is good and people are rushing to buy it. So make sure you buy the original one. It is very, very important. And hey, if you're seeing me for the first time, I am Beautiful Jenny, a passionate skincare consultant who is here to help you with all your skin needs. I make several videos. You can watch several videos, and trust me, you're going to have the best skin ever. But if you know that you cannot go ahead and be watching videos and be sorting things out for yourself, that is why I have created a one-on-one WhatsApp skin consultation. Here I help you with your skin issues. I help you to build routines. If you have any specific skin problem, I can help you to find products that will do it for you. So I talk to you, I see you. It is important for me to see, because sometimes when you ask questions in the comment section, recommend this, recommend that, I'm not seeing you. So I created this for people that want to talk to me personally. Now, the third on my list is from one of my favorite brands. If you know me, I have a few favorite brands that I always like to talk about anytime I'm talking about body lotions, and that is the QEI Paris Plus. Okay, now this is the QEI Paris Privilege Toning Milk. This particular body lotion is sweet. It is super amazing. As I said, this is a body lotion that is going to help to tone up your skin. It is a toning milk, it is going to help to smoothen your skin. I will recommend this one if you have pigmentation on your body, and also the texture of your skin is not giving at all. Like, your skin is not smooth, it's giving texture. Do you understand? Go for this particular one, but it is not on the affordable rate. Original QI Plus is not cheap, but trust me, if you're not on a budget, I will highly suggest that you go for this particular one. Now, this particular one, the major ingredient is glycerin. It has high percentage of glycerin, and also licorice extract. It has licorice extract. So just like I told you from the beginning of this video, these are not bleaching products. These are not products that will give you any skin reaction. And when we talk about those products, there are some skincare ingredients you don't hear. So anytime you start hearing licorice extract, botanicals like that, just know that I am talking about safe products that are not going to give you any skin reaction. Licorice extract is a botanical lightening, depigmenting agent that doesn't give any skin reaction. So yes, this one is a very good one, and it really works for both fair skin and caramel skin, to tone up your skin, to give you that lovely skin texture, and to moisturize and hydrate your skin very well. If you use this product for a longer period of time, you are absolutely going to love the turnout of your skin complexion and of your skin texture. Now, the fourth on my list is one of my favorite body lotions on this list when it comes to affordable options. This particular body lotion is highly underrated, and that is the AM Glow Body Milk Lotion. This particular body lotion, if you know anybody that is using it, they don't want to let go of it, because this is an amazing body lotion. It gives you that silky, milky skin. Like, it doesn't just lighten up your skin, it works on your skin texture, and it works a bit fast. Not like fast as in bad fast, but if you start using it within 1 to 3 weeks, like, you are going to know that I'm using a new body lotion and this body lotion is working. It's an amazing body lotion. Now, it has alpha arbutin, it has carrot seed oil, it has vitamin K, A, and E. It is so moisturizing and hydrating. Any skin tone, any skin complexion can use this particular one. AM Glow Body Milk is the GOAT. If you have not tried it and you are on a budget, try AM Glow Body Milk. You are absolutely going to love this particular body lotion. Now, the fifth on my list is the new Experience Body Lotion. This one, it's another banger. This particular one has Tranexamic Acid, it has Niacinamide, it has Panthenol, and it has allantoin. This is a very good body lotion. It works. It can give you 1 to 2 shades lightening if you use it for a longer period of time, but it doesn't give any skin reaction. Do you understand? It is very good to tone up your skin, to brighten up your skin, and to give you that smooth texture. This is very, very good. Now, the bonus that I have on this list is not a new product. It is the Skin by Zaron body lotion. This particular one also works faster. Like, if you want something that is going to tone you up fast, go for Skin by Zaron. It has arbutin, it has collagen, it has vitamin E, and some other ingredients. It is super amazing. Now, these body lotions that I mentioned here, these are body lotions that you can safely use morning and night. No, you know that when you want to tone up your skin, right, you need your product to work fast, because for you to think and say, oh, my skin is getting dark, I need to do something about it, you are in that, when you are in that state of mind, you want something that will work fast for you. These are products you can use morning and night, and because you can use them morning and night, they are going to work for you really fast, but not fast to damage your skin, but fast to give you a very good result. So these are very safe products, very effective products, suitable for fair skin and caramel skin, and they are super hydrating. As I said, these are body lotions you might not need to use with a body oil unless you are someone that loves using body oil. So let me know if you want me to make like a routine video with any of these products. So the highest the highest product, that's, how do I put it, if you want new experience, for me to use new experience and form a routine, you type new experience body lotion. So the highest body lotion with the highest votes gets a routine video. That's it. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you on our next one. Remember to like this video and share this video and leave a comment in the comment section. Bye.